Hello everyone, welcome to DeviZ. We will learn today about do while loop. In the previous video we have learned about the while loop. So the do while loop and while loop are similar. There is only one difference, which is in do while loop the statements are executed first and then checked for the condition. In while loop we check the condition first and then execute the statements. So this is the only difference. I will quickly show a small example of do while loop and then I will show the same code in while loop and do while loop, and I will make you understand the difference between them. So in the do while loop I am just printing the value of I here if it is less than 5. So we will write a code for it using do while loop. I am including the stdio library void main. I have initialized the value 0 to the variable I and have cleared the screen, and this is the syntax of do while loop. So the syntax goes like do the flap bracket statements, close the braces, and the while, and inside that you have to write a condition and then give the semicolon. So this is the syntax of do while loop. In this do while loop I have given a printf which is printing the value of I, and I am incrementing the value of I in the next line, and I am checking for the condition if I is less than 5. So what this does is first the compiler will execute. If the value is less than 5 or greater than 5, the first time it will get executed and then it will check for the condition. So it keeps on looping until this condition gets false, and then it will come out of the loop and get changed so that we can see the output, and we have closed the braces of main. So we will just compile it and run this and see. So here you go, the value of I is 0 to 5. We got it from 0 to 5. So basically that's what happening in this do while loop. Let me just give you I greater than 5 and then I will print it. So you can see this value is printing even though the value the condition is false. We will get the the compiler will compile this statement at the start. So we will just see that. So here you go, the value of I is 0. If the same thing I print it with while loop, we will not get the output here. So for that I will just give you another thing here. I will just printf outside the loop, and then yeah, so okay, so this is just a do while loop, the same thing which I have explained. I will just run it again. Okay, just run it again. So yeah, outside the loop, and we are getting the value of I is 0. The same condition I will give for while loop, and we will see what happens. We'll just give while I greater than equal to 5. So we'll see if we get this and this as output. We will just run this. So we got only outside the loop. So that is the difference between while and do while. The while first check the condition and then print. In do while we just print the first statement, and then from the second statement we are just checking for the condition. So that is the only difference in do while and while loop. That is it about looping statements. We have completed the looping statements. Next we will start with arrays and functions in the upcoming videos. Thank you.